Hey everyone, Paul Sam. Welcome to another At The Bench update. Before we get going today, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the little bell notifications, get notified of all our latest videos. Click the like button and leave a comment. I do read and reply to all the comments and appreciate everybody that takes the time to leave a comment on the channel. And of course, if you scroll up in the description, there's a link to a big long list of all the items I use in my videos. So if you see anything, you should be able to find it in there. So it's been 6 days since the last bench update. We're back. We've got one finished build, we've got a proposed build, and we've got one started as well. So we'll start with the started one. So the other day I said I was going to start the Mitsubishi Evo 6 from Tamiya. I even said in the video I'll probably get squirreled to pick something else, and lo and behold I did. I got the Evo all out ready to go, took pictures of it, put it on Facebook, and then thought I don't want to build that really. So instead we're building that. So we've got Tamiya's Toyota. This is the SARD, the Supra GT version. We're doing this as another track car. My decals are shot, the kit decals. I do have aftermarket ones, but I think this will look rather cool as a road-going track car anyway. So I'll pick this. Now, there's two kits of this. There's this one and the Castrol Toms one as well, Toyota Toms. The difference is, it's got slightly different wheels, and the front wheel arches come down more of a sweep at the front. I'm not keen on that look as a road car, so I picked this. Now this is a really rare kit, quite hard to find, but I thought, you know what, let's do it as a road car. It'll be interesting, and I'll pick an interesting colour for it as well, which I did. So as you see by these pictures, I picked Gravity Spain's brand new McLaren Lantana Purple, I think it's called, which is a beautiful, beautiful colour. As you can see in the pictures, it's stunning. So that was given a coat of grey UMP primer, and then it was given a good 8 or 9 coats of the purple. Probably didn't have to put that many on, but I did it to get the depth of colour, which worked really well. But we did use up nearly the entire bottle of 30ml paint on it, getting there. But it's as deep as deep. The colour's fantastic. Now the kit spoiler, a little bit too big for a road car. My friend Adam actually sent me a couple down. Standard Supra spoiler, the road going kit, and a different one as well. I forgot what it's called now, sorry Adam. And I've gone with the road going spoiler. I think it looks a bit less in your face, and I think it'll suit the build a little bit more. So thank you very much Adam for sending me that. So they were all painted up, and then it was 2K cleared in Gravity 2K this morning. And this is a video on how that looks. It came out really well. Again, completely changed the contrast and tone of the colour. Really deepens it, and you can just see by those extra few coats of paint make all the difference in getting depth, in my opinion. And again, just 8 or 9 really nice light thin coats. I probably missed the car with most of it, to be honest, but it's the way I paint them. I never get any issues or reactions or problems that way, and everything works really well. But as a purple, it's a beautiful striking colour. Got a few spots of dust here and there, but nothing that can't be polished out, and we'll deal with that as and when we come to it. But it looks phenomenal. It's a beautiful, beautiful colour, and it's going to look great when it's all finished. Now the interior, because we ran out of paint, I've gone with TS14 black from Tamiya. I had a half rattle can knocking about, and I actually used the rattle can itself to paint it. And again, that's come out okay as well. So that's what we're going to do in the interior. The wheels have been bleached and stripped. They're primed with black primer ready for paint. I think I'm going to go maybe a titanium silver. I'm not fully decided yet. I'll decide that as I go. But that's it. That's how it goes. So thank you very much, Adam, for the spoilers, mate. Much appreciated. He also 3D printed me a Star Wars sign he made himself a few weeks back that me and Dan commented on that we both liked, and sent me one of those over as well. So that needs painting up. And thank you very much, mate. It'll go on the shelf behind me when I do it. Much appreciated. So there we go. That's that. So that leads us on to the Evo 6. Now I do want to build that. I've got everything for it. I bought decals for it. I got some sad news of the day that a guy I used to talk to via PM, Mark Hawkins, passed away in September. I was quite gutted by that actually, to be honest, because we did speak, not all the time, but we spoke quite a few times via PM about cars and kit he was building and what have you. So it's always a bit of a shock to hear. And his wife contacted one of our members to say, would it be possible to do a memorial group build in his honour? And I think we can do that, definitely. So Mark was a car builder, so I'm thinking of doing the Evo 6 for that. The only other one I considered doing is something Mark was actually building and was questioning me on, and that was Belkit's Mark 1 Escort. And I've always wanted to do that as the blue Fast and the Furious car. I'm not a fan of the Fast and Furious franchise. They should have died after the first couple of films, but anyway, regardless. I'm a big Ford fan. I love that Escort. I've got a Hot Wheels one right there, my little boy bought me. And I've always wanted to do it. The problem is, it's not a cheap kit. I've not got one. I need wheels for it and decals, and it costs me like 80 odd quid. I don't want to spend that money at the minute. So, yeah, I'd like to build that, but I think it might be the Evo 6. We'll see. I'll see what happens. So I'm going to open that up as a group build, memorial build. We'll probably open up for a couple of months, 8 weeks, say. And if you want to take part, feel free. I'll post about it on Facebook as well, because, you know, it's always a shame to lose a member, and I think it would do good to honour Mark's memory with a build of what he enjoyed building. If you want to join him with other builds, feel free. I'm not going to say you can't build a plane for it, but, you know, it will be primarily a car build. You want to build an armour, tank, ship, whatever. You want to build anything, you can join in as well. I'll leave it fully open, but it will primarily be a car build. So, possibly the Evo 6 for that. We'll see. Now, video builds. My time over the last 3.5 weeks has been just drawn everywhere. We were mad busy at UMP. Me being ill caused a huge backlog of UMP orders, and I mean huge. Hannah has battled her way through them. I've been helping through the week to try and get all these orders caught up. I think Hannah's done over 70 orders just over Friday and Saturday, and she's out there right now working away, and tonight, and I'm hoping we can beast through most of these orders. So if you have been ordering, I do apologise. Just give us a bit of patience to catch up. It's only a small business, we're only a family run business, and it does take time to catch up on things. So we appreciate everyone's been patient, what have you. It is stressful trying to get caught up, and I'm trying to reduce the amount of stress at the minute, so it's a double-edged sword. The other thing as well, over the last 25 days, I've been to hospital and doctors about 18 times, so it's been manically busy with that every day, almost, checking for bloods and how I'm feeling and updates and blah blah blah. So that's taken a bit of time as well, and it does sap your mojo a little bit when you can't just come straight out here, do what you want to do and crack on. But I really want to do a video build again. So I think we'll jump in with that Revel Chevelle that we reviewed just in January, was it? And we'll jump in with that video build. So I've got that beautiful gravity copper colour for it, and I think we're going to dive straight in and crack on with that. So hopefully by the end of the week there'll be a video build part up, fingers crossed, and we can get the ball rolling on that, because I miss doing them. I miss doing all the videos. I've got reviews I want to do, tests I want to do, things like that, but I'm just trying to keep the stress to a minimum, and it's got better. My anxiety is a lot better lately. I've got a banging ear infection at the minute, which I mentioned in the last bench update, which I actually ended up at the walk-in centre at the hospital yesterday morning with, to get some spray and what have you. So that's slowly getting better, but absolutely killing me, really is, and that's saps your mojo as well. But anyway, enough of the boo-hoos. So the Revel Chevelle looks a great kit. We reviewed it. It's a brand new kit, regardless of what a few people said in the review. It's a new kit, whether you like it or not. It's a 2019 kit. It's been made in 2 boxings, and we're going to do the SS version. So that's that. So keep an eye out for that. Hopefully that'll be up in a few days. Now, another thing is on 3rd of April, on the Friday night show, starting at 7 PM, a little bit earlier than normal, we're going to do a Models for Heroes charity auction again. So we've done several of these in the past, and what we're looking for is donations. If you've got any kits you don't think you'll build, kits you want to donate, kits you want to buy to donate, please feel free, because anything donated to Malcolm and Models for Heroes for the auction will be auctioned off on that Friday evening via the live chat, and all the all the proceedings go towards Models for Heroes. This will be about the 4th time we've done this. We've always raised a good amount, and hopefully we can do some good again for this phenomenal charity. Models for Heroes, if you don't know, go and Google it, you'll find the website. It does fantastic work for ex-servicemen and women, people with PTSD, other issues, by using modelling as a medium of distraction and, you know, enjoying a hobby as we do, as I do, and you guys do out there. It's a phenomenal charity we're very, very proud to support. So we're looking for donations. Myself and Lee will donate stuff from UMP. I've probably got a couple of things in here I can donate as well. But the more donations we get, the more auctions we get, the more money we'll make, and the better we'll do for the charity. So please dig deep. If you've got anything you want to donate, contact either myself, Timothy Iverts, or Malcolm. The email address for Monster Heroes, I put it in the link description down below. You can email them, say I've got some kits I want to donate for the auction. You need to specify auction and not just a normal donation process. And we'll auction them off on that Friday evening. So please come and join us. Hopefully we can do well and really get a good amount of money for that wonderful charity. Okay, just quickly as well, before we go to look at the Subaru BRZ, a couple of channels I want to shout out to. First one's my good friend Luke Carswell, who does Black Rifle Model Works. Again, link in the description down below. Luke's got a great channel. He's a talented modeler. Sells himself short, but he is a very talented modeler. He's always putting channel updates up, reviews, and what have you. So go and check out Luke's channel. He's just done a video on how he got into modelling, his modelling journey, which is a very interesting video. Just put a video up on his brand new man cave he's done. So go on over there, support Luke. We've also got Justin at J Hart Model Works, I think it is. Again, I'll put a link in the description. Again, Justin's pretty new to YouTube. He's only been doing it for a few months, putting out tutorials and build and bench updates, etc, etc. So go over to both their channels. They're both great guys. Subscribe to them, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, say hello, whatever, and go and watch their videos and support them. They're great guys, and I'm always happy to recommend a channel. Right, Subaru BRZ. So I finished this a couple of days ago. This is Tamiya's 24 scale Subaru BRZ. It's a street custom version with a few extra bits on it. Now, I've got to say, it's not an interesting car at all. It's very meh. If you own one, I do apologise, but it's just a bland, boring car, in my opinion. As a kit, fantastic. A beautiful Tamiya kit, really well engineered, went together really well, and I'm glad I chose the colour I chose. But as a car, it's definitely a bit of a, one of them. That's my opinion. So this was primed in UMP grey primer. We then base coated it in Gravity Spain, BMW Amethyst Metallic Purple, which warranty did look brown, I admit it myself. It's then clear coated in Gravity Spain 2K Clear. The wheels were painted in UMP Black Primer and then painted in Tamiya LP72 Mica Silver. Interior with micro blue in the carpets and detailed everything up, but you really can't see it at all through the screens at all. There's nothing there. I did contemplate putting stripes on the roof and change my mind when the decals suddenly decided to fall to bits. So we just went a straight colour, and I'm glad I did. It looks a lot better. And then all the accents of the street custom version, all the trim, lower edges, we did in LP5. Again, I did contemplate doing it in carbon, but I think the semi-gloss black looks good against the high shine of the body. The bodywork after 5 days was flattered with Micromesh 8000 12,000 grit, and then polished up with the UMP polishes, and then waxed with the UMP wax as well. The products will be out soon. I do promise they are on the way. We just really like to test things before we release them, and I kind of let these out that we're testing them way before I normally do because I was showing in the videos. But as you can see by the results, they are fantastic. They work really well, and the overall outcome was a great looking car and a very, very unusual purple colour. So that's like I say, a bit of a bland car, great kit though, really nice engine detail as well, but just a bit of a meh build at the end of the day. So I'm going to crack on with the Supra. I'm going to start the Chevelle, hopefully. All my batteries are charged up for the cameras. We're ready to go. And then I'm going to organise that buddy build for Mark as well. So please come and take part with us. And that's that. So thanks for watching today. As always, make sure you sub to the channel, click the bell notification for all latest videos. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. I love reading all your comments and reply to them all. Thanks for all the support and the kind words you've all given me over the past few weeks as well. It's very much appreciated. I'm definitely on the mend. Definitely feeling a lot better. But it's just hectic. And I've got a few hectic weeks ahead of me as well with more appointments and what have you. But anyway, blah, blah, blah. Check out umpretail.com as well. Myself and Lee's business. We've got loads of new stock in, loads of new kits. full restock of all the UMP primer. We had a Subaru restock, but I think a lot of it's gone out now, but there's lots of cool stuff. Some new things on there as well, so please go on over and have a look there. Check out ISM Facebook page and forum, the Off Air Hangout group and a Live at the Bench group for the Off Air and Live Hangouts as well. And of course my Paul ISM modelling page on Facebook, where you can find all my modelling work shared, pictures, posts, comments, all sorts over there. And there we go. So thanks for watching today. I'll catch you all later. Take care. Bye bye.